Hey guys, welcome back. So I already applied my foundation. I'm just covering these dark circles with my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Corrector. I'm just patting that on the under eye area with my finger. Next, I'm going to cover that up with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just applying that underneath my eyes. I'm going to blend it out and set it with my Spun Translucent Powder. So for shadow, I'm taking my Sigma E40 blending brush, and I'm taking the color So Bougie from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, which has been like my go-to palette. I know I've done so many different tutorials, and I have so many more tutorials to show you guys, but we're using this palette again. So taking So Bougie, and then I'm going to build up this color with Cocoa Truffle, which is a darker brown color in the palette. I'm really focusing this color on the outer corner of my eyes, and again I'm doing the little card trick so I have like that crisp outer corner and it's easier to blend your shadow. Next, I'm taking Decadent, which is a matte black in the same palette, and I'm just focusing that color on the outer corner of my eyes. So to make the purple shadow pop, I'm taking the Living Lavish purple shade and I'm just patting that onto my lid. It does kind of look like the pink shade at first, but I am using the purple one, and then I'm going to add New Money, which is the brighter pink color. A pencil brush, this one's by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just blending that purple shadow to my lower lash line. Off any extra powder and fallout. So I'm filling in my eyebrows with the NYX Cosmetics Micro Brow Pencil. This reminds me a lot of the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So for bronzer, I'm taking the Capri bronzer by Becca Cosmetics. This has been like my go-to bronzer. I've been really liking it, and I love how it looks with the Sephora blush brush. So I'm just blending that out, making sure everything is good. And I'm going to deepen up my bronzer by using MAC Cosmetics Give Me Sun. And I'm just applying it kind of like if it was my blush. Lips, I'm taking this Tarte Cosmetics Birthday Suit, which is a liquid lipstick, and it's very mattifying. I love the shade, it's so beautiful. And then I'm going to apply Sugar by Marc Jacobs, which is a nice nude lip gloss. For highlight, I'm taking my Sleek Makeup palette, and I'm only applying the color that's not cream, so I'm just taking my powder highlight with this Real Techniques brush and just adding highlight to my face. I'm going to apply some eyeliner to my upper lash line, and this one is by the Balm. I'm not doing a winged eyeliner, I'm just adding some liner. And then I'm going to go in and just blend my shadow a little bit more. Add some of that pink eyeshadow just to make it pop. And then I'm going to go in with my mascara. This one is by Maybelline in Total Temptation. For my waterline, I'm taking this dark purple pencil by Rimmel London. I'm going to pop on some eyelashes. And you cannot forget the inner corner highlight. Inner corner highlights look so beautiful when you have color on your lid. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.